Yesterday, the state Supreme Court came down with their ruling. Convicted murderer Jeroid Price will have to serve the remainder of his sentence behind bars. News 19 Victoria Samuels spoke with the victim's family today.
When we got the word about him being released, like I said, we were devastated. We were angry. Our emotions was just all over the place.
Carl Small Jr.'s mother, Lily, says that when her son's killer was released 16 years earlier than anticipated, she was emotional. Since Jeroid Price's release in March, the South Carolina Supreme Court ordered Price back to prison. He was recaptured in New York City in July, and then the final decision yesterday from the court that he must serve the remainder of his 35-year sentence. Jeroid Price's sister, Tanette Reese, says her brother should not be reincarnated.
I'm completely baffled, of course. I do believe the Supreme Court decision is not valid, and they should not have voided his early release.
After an investigation, the Supreme Court said in their ruling that the circuit court judge who released Price did not have the authority to do so. Price's attorney, Todd Rutherford, says that Price went back with the police willingly when the release decision was overturned.
My client was released by a lawful order of a circuit court judge. And when the police arrested him, he went without fight. He simply came back and he simply turned himself in when they knocked on his door and is now in the Department of Corrections.
Carl Small's mother says she wants more time added to Price's sentencing to make up for the 2 months Price did not turn himself in.
More time will be added on to Price's sentence for him being fugitive for 77 days, knowing that he was a fugitive. And he ran and he crossed one state line after another.
Carl Small's father says that his son's death will change the justice system.
His legacy, hopefully, would be that his death brought changes to the state.
In Columbia, Victoria Samuels, News 19 WLTX.
Rutherford plans on filing a petition to the solicitor in Richland County with hopes for a new hearing for Price to get the sentence lessened.